Hi guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to divide a circle into 12 equal parts using two methods, which are the compass method and the set square method. So after this video, after watching it to the end, you feel free to tell me which one is best for you and which one you find more comfortable to use. Feel free to tell me in the comment section. So starting first, we are going to be drawing this our line straight here. So we are going to be starting with the set square method. So we pick our set square. This is our 30-60 set square. We pick this. So let's just draw the circle using any radius over. So we draw a circle like this. We're going to be extending this line. We're going to be extending this a little bit up and a little bit down. So now for the set square method, I'm going to pick our 30-60 degree set square. At the angle 30, we are going to draw like this. So we pick the second side again, we draw it like this again, and we pick this other side, mark it like this, done like this, and we pick this other side and we draw it like this. So we have successfully divided this circle into 12 equal parts. This 1, this 2, this 3, this 4, this 5, this 6, this 7, this 8, this 9, this 10, this 11, and this 12. Now moving to the next method, we move to our compass method of dividing a circle into 12 equal parts. So first we draw our center line like this and we draw the straight line. So we pick our compass. We are going to be using the compass method. So we pick our compass, we draw our circle. Start drawing our circle. So you move to this point using the radius of the circle, mark point up, mark it down, move to this next point, mark here and mark here. So you move here, place it at this point, you mark here, you also mark here. So you move up also the last point, so you mark here and mark here. You move to the 4 points, that's the 4 cardinal points on the circle. So now you will be joining like this. Make sure it passes through the center of the, so we have this joint like this, we have this joint like this, we have this joint like this. Make sure all passes through the center. We have this joint like this. And we have divided our circle into 12 equal parts. This 1, 2, 3, this 4, this 5, this 6, this 7, this 8, this 9, this 10, this 11, and this 12. So this is our compass method, and this is our set square method. This is our set square method. So feel free to tell me which one is best for you in the comment section. Thank you.